It all started with a drunken fight at the bar. Some people died and shit, and then I saw the moon. Mama called me and I said booze and hoes. Then I fell down some stairs and hurt my fucking ear. Dolphins and explosions are so nice. Explosions and dolphins are so fucking nice. I saw a wolf and then I ate a bear. Then I took a flight on an awesome reindeer. Some people looked at me and I said, what the fuck? In my pocket was a fucking rubber duck. Dolphins and explosions are so nice. Explosions and dolphins are so fucking nice.